In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make a shape transparent here in Canva. So I have these two shapes just here, which we're going to use. Now, once you have a shape on your canvas, well, first of all, if you don't know how to find shapes, we can come over to Elements, and then if we look just here, there's going to be shapes. We can also use that search bar as well. But once you have your shape on the canvas, just like this, we simply want to click onto that shape, come up to the color section just here. Now, if we click there, what we want to choose is this one just here with this little red line. And if we hover over this, it's going to say no color. So if we do that, the shape's practically going to disappear because we don't have a border. So if we click on there, the shape is there, but it's transparent, so we can't see it. So from here, what we want to do is click next to that where it says border style. Then if we click on there, we can choose the style that we want. Let's go with a solid color. Let's make that weight a little bit thicker, and then we could also change the color of the border of this shape as well, just like that. Not like that, actually, that was wrong, so let's go back. We're going to click on the color next to the border, just there, and then we can change that border color. So again, let's do this one more time. We're going to click onto the shape, we're going to come up to the color, then we're going to choose this one, the no color icon, and we can also change the border style, just like this, and then play with the border weight, and also change that color as well, just like that. So that's just how simple it is to make a shape here in Canva. Now, if you found this video helpful at all, then please consider giving me a like, as it really helps out the channel. And if you're not too sure what to watch next, click right here and watch this playlist.